And I can't wait so we can break apart the
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the free sound fonts. Yes, I said free. Very free. No charge, nothing. Free sound fonts that come off of Kyberphonics site. You just click on it, download the fonts, upload them to your Saber, choose your style, download the style, and you know how it works. They are free, so they aren't the highest quality sound fonts out there, but they're not bad. They're really not bad. Decide you like them, go download them. If not, well, you don't have to. Your choice. I would, just because they're free sound fonts. It gives you something else to play with. So let me quit yapping and get right into this review of these sound fonts. This isn't one of them. This is just something for the video. Alright, let's shut it off. The first one will be purple. That comes from Savvy's workshop. That Kyberphonics changed over to a smooth swing and added all the goodies. So, here's it at idle. The idle hum. Doesn't sound bad. There's a couple in here that are my favorites, and this is one of them, is the purple. Alright, so it has lightning lockup, or lightning deflect, blaster deflect, flash on clash, all of it. Tip drag. And it is color change compatible. All of them except one have been color change compatible. So let's go on to, which I believe the next one is red. Red. Yes. Again, these all come from Savvy's workshop, is where I guess Kyberphonics got the sounds from. They just took the Kyber crystals and, changed the sound fonts over to whatever their program they're running is. But here's the idle hum. Lightning deflect, blade lockup, blaster deflect, clash, tip drag, this is the one that does not really support color change. It just kind of switches back between red and white. I don't know why, but oh well. And that is red from Kyberphonics. The next one should be white. White. Yeah. So, again, idle hum. This one's actually got a very interesting sound. When you swing it hard enough, it makes like a whoosh sound, and I like it. I really do. There it was. It's hard to get it to do it though. There it went. Alright. So, color change. Which this one actually gets kind of trippy. Let's bring it to a red. And it like strobes out almost. Yeah, right there. Alright, so lightning lock up, flash on flash, blade lock up, tip drag, and that is white. Next one should be yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah. This one I like. It's not bad. So, idle hum. And man, I hope you're not epileptic, because if you are, this one will take you out. So, I need to put a warning at the beginning of this video. If you have epilepsy, don't watch this. Because this one strobes. But that's mainly just because of the style. The style that I have on it. But that's idle hum. A little bit of movement. Which this one actually like... Sorry. This one, when you actually like carry it through, the longer you swing it, it like, the sound of it gets more crackly, I guess. I don't know how to explain it. I'll see if the video shows it or not. Alright, well either way. Is color change compatible? We'll go with the blue. Oh, that's not blue, that's purple. There we go, there's blue. Oop. Lightning deflect. Blaster deflect. Flash on flash. Blade lock up. Tip drag. Nope, tip drag. Come on, tip drag. There you are. Alright, and I think that's about it for this one. Last one.
Blue.
Blue. Nope, nope. Oh yeah, it was blue. Yeah, blue. Brain fart. Alright. So blue's not bad either. It's got a nice idle hum. So, idle hum. A little bit of smooth swing. And lightning lockup. Blade lockup. Flash on flash. Tip drag. And, of course, color change. And that is blue. So next we will go to the last one, which is green.
Green.
Yeah. And like this is probably got to be my second favorite. It's got a very clean idle hum. And it's just overall very nice. Alright, so lightning block, blaster deflect, slash, blade lockup, and tip drag. Come on, tip drag. Tip drag. There we go. And color change. And that is it for all these guys. Again, they are free, so realistically there is no harm in getting them. As long as you have a SD card that isn't already full and that can hold these guys, because they aren't bad. Not for the price, which again is free. If y'all are interested in these sound fonts, go get them, because again, free. Yeah, they are free, so go pick them up. I think they're going to be free forever, honestly. But still, go get them. Because why wouldn't you go get them? They're free. I hope y'all liked this video. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. If I missed anything, please let me know. They are compatible with the new battle mode. I don't fully have that installed on this Saber. Just because at the time I didn't fully understand it, so I wasn't really interested in it. Now that I understand what the battle mode is, I kind of wish I'd put it on here, and I still can, but let me know how I did. Let me know if there's anything I missed. Let me know if there's anything y'all want to see or hear in the future, any tutorials or anything like that. May the force be with you.